Tech Blog. If you are an Outlook user and send a lot of emails every day, then this handy feature can save you a lot of time and effort. This feature of Outlook is called email templates. It lets you create predefined emails that you can easily use while composing new emails. So let's see how to do it. Go to your Outlook app, then head over to settings. You can go by clicking this setting icon, or you can go to file menu and then click on settings. Once you are in the settings, you need to select a mail from the left panel, and under the mail section you will find templates, the third one from the top. Click on that and there will be an add button. You need to click on add. Once you click on it, so you need to decide in which email you want to save. You can change it if you have multiple emails here. And once you are done, you need to click on add and create new template. It will ask you for a name. For the sake of this video, I will give an example of a leave application that we usually send to in our day-to-day workflow. So leave application, I will give the name as leave application. Once again, yeah. So once you are done with naming the template, now it will give you the exact same interface that you use to compose an email. You can choose to which particular person you usually send this email. It can be HR, it can be anyone. So I will just type email for now. So suppose I will send it to HR. So after that, you can add the subject. So in just to avoid errors and make things faster, I just generated an email from AI, and then I will just copy and paste so it will be easier for you to understand. And I will paste it in the subject space and then go back and copy this template. Then paste it again. So now the template is ready. All you need to do is to save it and close. So in the next part of the video, we will see how to use this template while composing an email. So we have already created our template previously. Now it's time to use it in your Outlook while composing a new email. So let's head over to Outlook app and click on this new button. Instead of creating to the compose new email, you need to click this down arrow just below it. So it will show you an option for mail from template. So when you click on it, you will show all the templates you have created till now. So we have already created this leave application template before. So we're going to use it, and we just need to click on it and it will compose the email for you. You just need to replace the details and you can send it directly. It will save you much time to write multiple emails. If you send a lot of emails in one day, then you can just use different templates. So other examples of templates could be like a monthly report, daily reporting, and ratings, reviews, or any specific reply that you use to send frequently. You can just create the templates and just need to include that template and send it quickly. So that's how templates can be useful for your day-to-day work. So I hope this video helped you a little bit. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you into the next video. Bye for now.